Hi, my name is Khairul Iman and I am from DEM 2B, and now I'm going to explain about Lab 4 for the exercise 4. So in my program, I use about 4 or 5 variable that is for BMI and result. These two is for the main calling function, and in main function, I use the integer length for the language and float h and w, h for the height and w for weight. And after that I print the calculator and the language. So one for the BM, we have to choose the language, so one for BM and two for BI. By getting the input, we have to use the scanf, and then after that we use the switch case to divide if BM and BI. For the case 1 is for the BM language, and case 2 for BI language English. So, for example, in BI language, we have to insert the height in cm. After we scan the height, we will try to convert from cm to meters. That is by height divide by 100, and then we have to insert the weight in kg uh, using the scanf. After that, we will be calling out the BMI. So this is the BMI function. So BMI is result equal to weight divided by height multiplied by height. So after that, it will be printing your BMI is the solution and then the result. So if you want to know our result is above, within, or below, we have to use the if else function. So if the result is above 18.5, it will be printing these two. There is if result is above 25, it will you be above BMI, and if not, you are within BMI. And if result is below 19.5, it will be printing you are below BMI. So now we are going to demonstrate our program. So for example, we use for BI, and then we use the height that is 1766, and the weight for it 5050, and then this the result we got. That is your BMI is 17.76, and you are below BMI. So that is for my presentation. Thank you.